Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated maintenance and instructional how-to video channel on YouTube. Zontes videos are designed for factory training and dealer know-how, as bikes these days disassemble in a complex layered manner. So the video you are watching does not mean the bike has flaws. It shows dedication from Zontes to ensure all procedures are met when exporting to the global market. Can you name me any other motorbike manufacturer that provides this level of detail? Please enjoy the video, and if afterwards you have learnt something, well, that's my satisfaction complete. Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. Here's a step-by-step guide to replacing and upgrading the LCM, lighting controller module, bracket on the Zontes 703RR. Your Zontes dealer can check if your ride has not been upgraded yet, depending on manufacture date. Tool needed: T25 Torx wrench. Removal procedure: power down. Turn off the ignition. Remove the front fairing panels carefully. Locate the LCM. Disconnect wiring. Unplug connectors from the LCM and fog lamp drive box. Remove all wiring clamps and ECU frame connectors. Unbolt the bracket. Use a T25 Torx wrench to remove the two M6 shoulder bolts securing the bracket. Extract the LCM. Gently pull out the LCM and bracket assembly. Prepare the new bracket. Ensure the new bracket aligns with OEM mounting points. Apply dielectric grease to connectors if desired. Position the bracket and secure it with the original bolts. Torque to manufacturer specs, typically around 6 to 8 Nm for M6 bolts. Reconnect wiring. Plug in all connectors securely. Snap in the connector wiring to the rear of bracket. Fasten the fairing in position. Test the system. Turn on the ignition and verify lighting functions. Check for any error codes or abnormal behavior. So well done, you have completed the change of bracket. I will now play the video again with Chinese instruction.
ZT703 RRLCM 灯光控制器支架更换升级教程。准备工具 T25 梅花扳手，车头随车工具包内有此工具。随车工具包取用教程可在官网视频查询。使用 T25 梅花扳手拆下视频所示左侧包围2颗固定螺栓。按视频方法将左包围面板轻轻掰开，轻轻掰开左包围面板，使用 T25 梅花扳手拆出固定 LCM 灯光控制器螺栓。取出 LCM 灯光控制器，观察螺栓安装孔位是否有开裂痕迹或边缘封胶位置，是否也存在开裂现象。如有开裂痕迹，请联系官网售后进行更换。LCM 固定支架位置图展示。将氧传感器固定扣拆下，使用 T25 梅花扳手拆下旧款支架2颗固定螺栓。用手先预紧2颗螺栓，然后使用 T25 梅花扳手打紧固定。螺栓规格 M6×14梅花轴间螺栓。 将氧传感器接头安装到新款支架上。使用 T25 梅花扳手将原来的螺栓、衬套、缓冲胶安装回 LCM 灯光控制器，固定支架上。按视频方法将左包围面板卡扣复位。使用 T25 梅花扳手安装2颗左包围面板固定螺栓，安装时注意螺栓弹垫是否安装。谢谢观看。